Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen, and today we'll be making this Colon Sweep Smoothie. That's just what the name says, it's gonna sweep your colon. Super simple, amazing if you're on any of the Dherbs cleanses. This can be a meal replacement or just snack. So let's get started. For this, you're gonna need 1 cup or 1 medium carrot, diced and peeled, 1 nub of ginger, about as long as your finger is, some ground flaxseed, about a tablespoon, 1 medium beet that's peeled and cut, 1 bunch of parsley, this is flat leaf parsley, stems removed, and 1 apple that has been cored. I'm using a Granny Smith apple, has some tartness and some sweetness to it. It's gonna really bind those carrots and those beets together. And lastly, the Dherbs formula, colon and digestive tract, and flaxseed oil. So, to build our smoothie, working smarter, not harder, bring the base to us. I'm gonna start with the root vegetables first. You want those closest to the blade because those are gonna be the hardest to blend. So I'll start with the carrots and the beets. Adding our ginger, our flaxseed, colon and digestive, flaxseed oil. This has a dropper in it. So each droplet is about 10 drops, which is about 1/4 teaspoon. So we're gonna do 4 drops of that. Perfect. A bunch of parsley. Just break that up in your hands just to help your blender out a little bit. You don't want that to get stuck. And then our apple. To this so that we're getting the maximum nutrients out of all of our vegetables in here. Again, for my smoothie recipes, I don't add all the liquids. I like to see where the smoothie is based on the natural liquids from the fruits and vegetables that they emit. And then we can kind of loosen it up there for the viscosity. So once that water's in, I'm gonna blend this on low until we get it spinning. Then we'll go up to high until we get the viscosity that we want. We can pour it up and we'll have our smoothie. All right, so this looks good. Oh yeah, this looks great. Initially, the first thing that hits you is ginger, but it's subtle. Then you can smell carrot, that apple. Let us see. Oh yeah. Colon Sweep Smoothie. Delicious. Packed with fiber. The ginger is amazing. You can clearly taste it, but it's not overpowering. The apple comes through with like a sweet. This is really good. I'll have to go back in my notes and try another one like this. If you like this recipe and would like to see more, make sure you like, share, subscribe. You can follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard.